Now let's talk about perennial wisdom. Aldous Huxley's concept of perennial wisdom, Sophia Perennis, is grounded in the philosophy of metaphysics and gnosis. All religious traditions share a single metaphysical truth, which is remembering and connecting with the divine source. Houston Smith's book, The World's Religions, beautifully highlights the shared esoteric insights of each religion. The reason why I share all of this is because I believe quantum meditation is the shared path between all faiths, connecting to an invisible, well established field that creates order. The prayer of the heart, which focuses on a constant state of awareness that transcends rituals, can be found deep in all major religious traditions. This prayer of the heart is what I call quantum meditation. If you're interested in me sharing a video on Sophia Perennis or more on quantum meditation, please comment below. Now, if you don't follow universalistic quantum meditation, there's no doubt that meditation has proven physiological changes to the body through brainwaves, biomarkers, and brain structure. For more health and wellness tips, please visit my website and subscribe to my newsletter for more exclusive content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.